Hi guys, how's it going? I'm Edward and I'd like to welcome you to my second video tutorial about Git. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Git, and for that I'm using a Mac machine and I will actively be using Sublime Text, which is the text editor to the right of the screen, and the Mac terminal to run Git to the left. But first let me just highlight the shortcoming that Git is trying to address. Let's imagine you're writing an essay, okay? You start off by drafting it and eventually you finish it. Let me just type in a demo. This is my first Git tutorial, okay? And I save it. But the next day, I don't like the fact that I wrote in uppercase here and I want to change it to lowercase. Tutorial. Oops, tutorial. And now I save it again, but this time I save it as essay1.txt. So, do you get what's happening here? Now you have two different versions of the same file. How many of you have done this in the past? I know I have. Git allows you to optimally save different development stages of the same file in a nicer, cleaner, and visual way. Writing the files like I have here is definitely counterproductive, but Git works on these shortcomings and removes the need to create multiple files. Git allows you to see a history of changes for a particular file, and other than that is an excellent tool for writing and managing code. Um, for example, if you're a programmer and you're trying to solve a bug and you need to go back to a past version of the file, Git allows you to do that. If you're not a programmer, still Git is awesome for any files you're working with, either text, Word documents, Photoshop, and so on. So don't go away, as I'm going to show you how Git is practical and efficient to use for different sorts of files. But there are different ways to install Git on a Mac. The easiest is probably to install the Xcode command line tools. On Mavericks or 10.9 or above, you can do this by simply typing Git from the terminal the first time. So like this. If you don't have it installed already, it will prompt you to install it. You can install it by simply installing Homebrew, which is a popular package manager for Mac OS. After you install Homebrew, you can simply run this command: brew install git. But if you want a more up-to-date version, you can install it via binary installer. NoSX Git installer is maintained and available for downloads at the Git website. Right, so now let's go ahead and install Git from their website. Let's open a web browser and go and type in Git downloads. Right, so this is their website, git-sem.com/downloads. Let's go ahead and click on it. And you'll see here, you'll have different downloads for different operating systems such as macOS, Windows, Linux, and even Solaris. You can select based on your machine, but because I already have it downloaded in my downloads file, I can simply run it from here. If you have a Windows machine, the process is pretty much the same, but you should select during the installing process Git for Bash only. So let's click continue, install. To prompt me for my password, type in my password, and I'll click install, and I'll wait for it to install. So once it's installed, just click on close this, and close the Google Chrome tab. Once it's installed, you can try a very simple test command. go to a terminal and simply type in git dash dash version. This will tell you the version. As you can see, I'm running version 2.9.2. If you want to see more details about it in the terminal, just type in git. Git will show you different details about it, such as starting a working area, working on current changes, examining history and states, and so on. Another interesting command to run on Mac would be man git. Git. This command would give you a more comprehensive uh, list of options that are used in conjunction with Git and what each option allows you to do. Man, by the way, stands for manual. So let's go ahead and try these commands for yourself, and in the next tutorial I'll show you how to configure Git, and afterwards we'll be delving more into more awesome stuff. For now, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.